Have you ever wondered how small devices like robots or smart gadgets are smart enough to work on their own? Meet Arjun, a engineering student with electronics. He decides to build a smart robot to help around his room, watering plants, turning off lights, and cleaning his desk. He sets up the hardware, a small processor board, sensors, camera, and motors. But soon Arjun hits a roadblock. How will the robot know when to move or respond? Linux-based operating systems, bulky and slow for such a tiny device. That's when Arjun finds PetaLinux, a toolkit built especially for embedded systems like robots, drones, and IoT gadgets. PetaLinux is a software development kit for creating lightweight, Linux-based operating systems, optimized for small devices with limited resources. It gives full control over what's in the OS, from bootloaders to drivers. Why do developers love it? Well, first you can customize the operating system to fit your hardware. Second, it's lightweight, which makes it perfect for small chips. And third, it easily integrates drivers for Wi-Fi, sensors, and cameras. PetaLinux supports FPGAs and SoCs, the powerful chips found in drones, robots, and advanced tech. So whether you're a student like Arjun or a company building smart devices, PetaLinux gives you full control over your embedded operating system. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech explainers.